Hi everyone, in today's video we will be doing part 1 of a two-part lesson on area and perimeter. The area of a shape is the space occupied by the shape, and the perimeter is the total distance around the shape. So our first shape is a square. A square has 4 equal sides, so if the length is 6, that means all 4 sides is equal to 6. So to find the area of a square, we square the length, or we multiply the length by the length. The perimeter, 4 times the length. That means we multiply the length by 4, or we could just go ahead and add length plus length plus length plus length. So let's go ahead and find the area. So area is equal to length squared. That is equal to 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter. 6 times 6, 36. Centimeter times centimeter, centimeter squared. So the area of the square with a length of 6 centimeter is equal to 36 centimeters squared. Now let's find the perimeter, and perimeter is equal to 4 times length, and that is 4 times 6 centimeter. 4 times 6 centimeter is equal to 24. 24 24 centimeter. So here we have the area and the perimeter of a square with a length of 6 centimeter. Area 36 centimeter square. Perimeter 24 centimeter. Now our next shape is a rectangle, and a rectangle has 2 lengths and 2 widths. In other words, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So the length is 5, so that means this opposite side is also 5. The width is 3 centimeter, that means the opposite side is also 3 centimeter. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length by the width. This is the length, L, and this is W. So we multiply the length by the width. So let's go ahead and do that. L times W, and that is equal to 5 centimeter times 3 centimeter. 5 times 3, 15, and centimeter times centimeter, centimeter squared. Now the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus the width. So we have 2 lengths, which is the same measurement, and we have 2 widths, which is the same measurement. So it's length plus width multiplied by 2, that is 2 times length plus width. So let's go ahead and find the perimeter of this rectangle. 2 times L plus W, and that is equal to 2 times 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So remember, we do the parentheses first. 5 plus 3, 8. And then 2 times 8, 16 centimeter. So the area of this perimeter, 5 by 3, 5 centimeter by 3 centimeter is 15 centimeters squared, and the perimeter is 16 centimeter. Area 15 centimeters square. Okay, so just go ahead and indicate it right here. (16 centimeter) and 15 centimeters square. And there you have it, part 1 of area and perimeter. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, which will be part 2 of area and perimeter.